Hi, good morning. Nick Kayser, Mustache Approved Remodeling. We are out here on a new project for our friends Helge and Joan. We are in Mesa, Arizona, and we are starting their master bath project. Let me give you a rundown on what's going on here. So you can see we are saving we're saving this floor. We are saving the cabinets, but we're changing out the countertops. We are taking out these soffits above the tub area and the vanity area, and we are reworking this whole area here. We are building a wall straight up, and we are actually going to put a stackable washer and dryer in here, and we are going to make this the new shower area. We're going to build a pony wall right here and a bench that's going to come across. And all the shower features are going to be right here off of this wall, straight ahead. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to take these doors out, and we are going to take this casing or this door stop off, and we are going to patch up the hinges, and it just looks like a pass-through once we bondo all that in. So we're going to do that on two doors, this one and this one. So also we're going to paint the bathroom. So the customer has provided a few materials. She's got mirrors and faucets we're going to install for her. You can see we're going to change these sinks to some rectangle undermount sinks, and we are going to put in some hanging pendant lights, 3 of them, 2 of them centered over the sinks, and then also change out to a new exhaust fan. And we're going to add a can light above the shower. So that is what we're doing in here. We will keep you updated on a day-to-day basis through all the different phases like we normally do. And you can stick around for the playlist when we get it completed. I look forward to seeing you next time. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.